Every year, a dead zone forms near the mouth of the Mississippi River, resulting in an area the size of New Jersey that has lower oxygen levels. The dead zone results when excess nutrients, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, end up in the river and flow into the Gulf. This spurs algae growth, which are consumed by bacteria. The eating of the algae by the bacteria uses up the oxygen in the water, creating the dead zone. This means that organisms like shrimp and shellfish that are important to an area's tourism or economy will no longer be available. The dead zone affects numerous communities and aquatic organisms, and something must be done about it. And there is something you can do about it. One cause of the excess nutrients is having a broken or inefficient septic tank. When broken, a septic tank does not take out the nutrients in human waste, and they end up in the river. This is why it is important to ensure that your septic tank is working properly and efficiently. Another solution to the dead zone relates to urban runoff. Urban runoff is how precipitation flows from where it lands to a body of water. It often involves gutters, streets, sidewalks, and ditches. As the water passes, it can collect nutrients from anything in its path, such as pet waste or litter. The water carries the nutrients to the body of water and eventually into the Gulf. So, if you take your dog to the park, clean up after it. If you see litter, pick it up before runoff carries its nutrients to the Gulf. Or, clean your driveway every so often, so rain doesn't bring mud into the Gulf. The dead zone is a major problem that needs to be resolved. If it were to worsen, who knows what the consequences would be, not just to marine life, but to the people living nearby, who depend on the Gulf. In order to solve this, everyone has to help, not just farmers or government officials. Hopefully, we can work together and save the Gulf.